Hello, welcome to Food and Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how to make Gyllebokaka or custard cake. It's a recipe that has its origins in the 14th century, so it's going to be interesting to see how it works out. Let me show you what you need for that. Okay, so we're going to be using heavy cream. The fattest milk we could find is between 3.5% and 4.5% or something like that. A bit of sour cream, 6 eggs, cup of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of cardmom, and this strainer that Helena made when she was doing ceramics. And we're gonna start off by whipping the eggs and then add everything else in there. Oh yeah, we're gonna be using one cinnamon stick as well. Okay, so we're gonna start off by breaking the eggs. I'm gonna do this in a separate container because if there's something wrong with the egg or if you get a little bit of eggshell in there, it's easier just to remove it. Checking an egg is as easy as sniffing it. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, so we're going to start by adding the heavy cream. It's 2 cups of heavy cream. Then we have 8 cups of milk. We have 1 cup and a quarter, 1.25 cup of sour cream. In it goes. And then we're gonna add the sugar. 1 cup of sugar. And then the cardmom, it's a quarter teaspoon. And 1 cinnamon stick. Now we're going to slowly heat this up at low to medium low. I'm going to start, this one goes to 14, I'm going to start on a 4, and this is going to take forever. See you in a bit. Okay, 45 minutes in, we're at 170 and this is starting to thicken, so that's a good sign. Okay, so we're at 190. It's thickened still even more and bubbles are starting to form on the surface. The point is that this is going to curd and rise to the surface. Once it's done that, we're going to move it to the side and let it rest for about 20 minutes. And this is what we're looking for. It's starting to clump together. Might as well remove that cinnamon. And there we go. The custard is, or the coagulating parts are floating up towards the surface and it's starting to simmer, so it's time to take this to the side for 20 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna try to lift this up now and put it in the strainer. We're gonna keep the liquid because that's perfect to bake some bread with, but that's for another day, which this cheese actually is as well. And then this is gonna stay in the strainer overnight in the fridge so that all the liquid can leave the cheesecake or custard cake. Anyway, I think we've reached the limit of this. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow. And now we're supposed to leave it here and let it drop by itself. Okay? It's probably dropped. Let's see what it looks like. Look at that. Okay, let's try to cut into this then. It's firmed up nicely overnight. And then we're gonna add a little dollop of cream and some warm blackberry jam. There we go. Bohusländsk Äggost. Very, very old recipe. That's right. It's quite nice. It's really nice actually. I think the blackberry jam puts it over the top. There's a recipe for that as well. I'll link to it up there or there. Anyway, if you want to try this, try it. It's a really old recipe, like I said, 14th century. Thank you for watching. Bye.